Boost mobile text messages online. Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to see Boost mobile text messages online. So let's get started. First, create a Boost mobile account. For this, go to Boost mobile website and register using your phone number and email. Then use your registered email or phone number and password to log into your account. Now access text messages. For this, navigate to My Account section. Here you will see Manage My Service option. Tap on it. Now another option will appear, and that is Message Inactivity or Text History. Click on them. Here you can view incoming or outgoing messages from your Boost mobile account. You can also sort and search messages. Messages can be sorted by date or phone number. Use the search function to find specific text quickly. You can also save messages for record keeping, take screenshots, or copy messages into a document. Always remember, some messages may not appear due to network delays or technical issues. If messages are missing, check again later or view them directly on your phone. And that's all. That's how you will be able to see Boost mobile text messages online.